Alright, so you have an expensive electric bike and you're like, did I shut the garage door or did I leave this thing open? And so you're thinking to yourself, how can I figure that out? Did I do that? Well, the device I'm going to show you, between both of these, you'll see how, and it works over the internet. And it works really well. So you never have to wonder if you shut your garage door and how to control it. And you can protect your bike. Okay, here's the Garage Door Buddy website. There are two separate devices. That's my dog barking in the background. There's a monitor and a remote. You don't have to buy both together. You can buy them separately. One monitors the garage door. The other one is controlling the garage door up or down. And you can buy it either through PayPal directly or Amazon. I went through Amazon because it was just like, I got Prime. So it worked out. And then it's got the app on top of it. So you can control it through the app. And it's got two different OSs, iOS and Android. And the support's been great. Really no complaints whatsoever. All right, so now let's show you a real-world sample of the app running outside. All right, now let's go into the app here. I'm outside. There's the garage. How far is this thing? Here you can see with the monitor that in fact it's closed. And we're going to go back. And then once you go into the device, it's connected. Right now I'm on the Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead, hold it so you can actually see it. You can see see, there's that. Now you have to wait, you'll see the light up near the door there. Right there. It won't turn on until like 15 seconds after. I think it's a safety feature perhaps, but the moment that light goes on, I'll push the button and it'll shut again. And the other thing I want to point out before that does that thing, right here, you see the monitor went off. So it's either opened or closed. Okay, see the light up there above the door? I want to shut it. It goes off. Okay. And then you heard the ding. I was saying it's closed. There, and it is closed. And then to confirm, go to the monitor app. I didn't show when it was open. Let's do that. Go here. Wait for that 15-second delay. There. Back here. Takes it a sec. Now it's open. See how that works? Back to this guy. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll go back to this. Take the Wi-Fi off. Okay, the Wi-Fi is off. So now we're just on LTE. So you can be anywhere now in the world. You can get Wi-Fi. Or not Wi-Fi, but on LTE data. There you go. Works perfectly. There it is. Check it out, the Garage Door Buddy. The price is perfect. You don't have to pay any monthly fee or anything weird. So, it's a winner. Thanks.